I'm Erica from Bitrix24 Goal Partners Interface. In today's Quick Wins video, I'm going to show you how to organise your tasks using tags. So tags can be created within a task to help you filter through projects. For example, if a project manager has created a task for a promotional event, you can add a tag called email marketing and keep track of all email campaigns and related tasks. So on my CRM, if I click on tasks and projects, you can see all of your relevant tasks here. If I click on create a new project, you can see here the responsible person, and if you click more, you can add tags here. So you can add from already existing tags, or you can create a new one by typing it here. So I'm going to choose an existing tag and add task. So now if I search here under tags and click on email marketing, I can see all the relevant tasks that will need to be done. So with tags, I can now filter my search and only see the relevant projects associated with that tag. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch for a full demonstration, or to find out more about this and other solutions, go to interface.com/solutions.